name's Abigail Conway, and this is Lucy. Hello. And we are co-directors of Home Sweet Home.
Home Sweet Home is an interactive installation where we invite communities in to kind of rebuild their own cities. So in its simplest terms, it's a big model town where each of the houses has been created and decorated by the participants. So when you arrive, you'll be greeted by our estate agents, and they'll guide you through the property buying process. So once you've got your key, you're welcome to kind of enter the main part of the installation and you find your property. And we provide lots of kind of decorating materials so people can really kind of go to town making their creations, and then gradually you'll begin to interact with the kind of actors in the space. So there'll be the postman wandering around and you'll hear the radio station, and you'll be able to utilise these, so you can post letters and you can write into the radio station to request songs.
And then at the end we have a massive street party where we invite all our residents back and their friends to come and celebrate the completion, hopefully, of the town and what they've made. And we show a film and we have a little dance, and then you can take your home.
You realise that when you give people an opportunity to be creative and to just roll with something, they really, really do. Yeah. And you know, sometimes it's quite imaginative. Like, you know, we've had monsters and zombies, and
black holes, pyramids.
Yeah, like it can become quite abstract as well as kind of things that kind of mirror our kind of everyday life.
There was one in particular. A child had bought a house, and a bridge had been made that went over his house, and it was real big issues basically.
It was a really big bridge.
I mean, that was the town that had killer ants, and there was robots at war. It was a very interesting town in LA.